Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and today we are going to see how to export an entire schema and store it as a single DMP file, right? So let us see first into my schema, that is Oratrix, and we will see that how many Excel's data over there. Let's say for example, if you are considering this table, there are number of tables for schemas, procedure packages are there. So on a single command, I would like to export every data into a single DMP file. Just take a look on this. Let me just wait for a while. As you can see, there are number of tables available, right? So many tables were there. If you're taking example, there are packages were there. Okay. So what we want is we want to export everything, right? Including the data. Let's say for example, the city. That city contains certain data with it. So we want to explain everything in a single file, as that will be a DMP file, right? So we can execute this thing with the use of expdp command. For that, we need to assign some privileges to our Oratrix account, right? So first you need to log in as sysdba password, and now you need to give grant dba to Oratrix so that we can create. See, grant created successfully. Now you have to go to the C drive. Just create one folder called as let's say for example backup. Okay, and in backup I'm creating dump, as we are creating a dump file, right? So after executing this, so now let's create a virtual directory that is called dump underscore dir. Let's say for example dump underscore directory, as we need to provide the path at which we have created that is at C drive slash backup as backup slash dump and dump and termination symbol and enter. As the directory has been created, now we need to grant some permissions like read, write on directory, and the directory name was given as dump underscore directory, right, to Oratrix. So grant has been given successfully. Now we have to came out of this environment, and now we are going to execute the expdp command. So Oratrix is the username and Oracle is the password, and we want a full explanation. Directory may be directory file was a dum underscore directory, right? And we have a dump file called as a dump underscore oratrix dot dmp, and we require the log file which is expdp underscore oratrix dot log. Just press enter. You should be connected and the backup has been started, so it will take somewhat time, depends on how much data you have. So let me pause for some time, As you can see, database export has been started, and let's wait for a while. As soon as it's complete, as you can see, everything is exported. You can see there are a number of MB files, KB files are uploaded, and it is uploaded with the data also, with the table structure, everything, function, procedure, package, right? As you can see, one more thing, I'm also keep my eye on the some comments which I am receiving into this my channel, and this user have requested for the that video series, and I appreciate the comments whatever you all are sending to me. He's Lajesh Madhwan. It was 1 month ago, and he was actually requested for a video series of particular applications. So currently I am working on that, and soon I will be uploading this. So any one of you having any difficulties working with Apex, then just post on this particular comment box. I'll be try to resolve the errors and provide you with the some solution if it is possible for me. Okay, and meanwhile our export file has been done successfully. As you can see, it takes somewhat time, and now our C drive file is ready. So we just need to go to the dump file, and here you can see our dump file, dump underscore oratrix.tmp, has been successfully uploaded, and every data, we can see the file size is 481 MB. So currently it's contain everything, every function, procedure, tables with its structure, with data in it, everything is exported to a particular file. And now whenever you are migrating from one database to another, so there is always a requirement to export data from one to another. So it's one of the best method to export data from any Oracle database to another one. Say for example, if you are currently working on Oracle 11G, and if you're planning to migrate on Oracle 18C or something, then this is one of the finest method to export all the data, and it's better to keep all the data into a single file. So whenever you require, you can have this particular 500 MB file with you, and you can export or import wherever you want. So the file has been uploaded successfully, right? So if you have any suggestions or any queries or any doubts, just make your comments available over here, so that I'll be try to reaching out your comments and try to resolve the errors which you have. Okay, and keep subscribe, keep sharing this video, so that we can help other Oracle Apex developers. Thank you so much.